really a whole new way of life for us.
Call us Frank.
Nobody does breakfast like IHOP does breakfast.
Hail Democrat Al Gore and Independent James Stockdale.
Colored and Light Show, only on YouTube.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For some of you, this might be the very first video you're watching on this channel, so welcome to the Colored and Light YouTube channel. You're probably here because of this new GTI that I picked up earlier last week. And for you Miata guys, don't worry, Miata's still here. We're just doing a little GTI mod today. One of the first things that I wanted to pick up was the paddle shifting extensions, and I looked at a few different ones, and I think I found some that you might be interested in. For you well-seasoned GTI guys, you probably know about these already. These are the Amazon Special paddle extensions, and these are actual replacements for your plastic ones that go in the stock steering wheel. Apparently they're pretty easy to install. There's a lot of how-tos out there on how to do it, but I'm just going to document the process for the sake of making some GTI content for you guys. And if you are one of the GTI guys checking out this video, this is my NC Miata. This has been the kind of poster child of the channel. It's currently getting a 2.5 swap engine put in to it, well, planning to put into it. It's from a Ford Fusion. It's got cams, it's got upgraded clutch. I've got all kinds of stuff that's gonna be going down shortly for that car. So if you are like a car enthusiast like me, hopefully you find some interest in finding out about different cars. So the NC Miata will for sure be making more appearances here, as well as the GTI. Now I have two cars to show everyone, which is really exciting. So let's wrap up the talking and jump into the GTI. So being that my GTI has the DSG paddle shifters, it's got the DSG dual clutch transmission. It's got these little shifters back here. They're really nice. They got a nice little clickiness to them. A little short. They go pretty much from right here to the top. So in the right driving position, it's no problem to click on them. One finger, all fingers, whatever you want to do. I like the idea of making a car a better driver's car, and I feel like adding some extended paddle shifters would really help aid in making sure you are accurate when you need to shift. So these are apparently pretty easy to do. It's like a couple pins on each side and then aligning it and installing basically. So I'm going to set you guys up on the dashboard as best I can, and all you need for this are a set of needle nose pliers, and you should be able to get these out. And then we're gonna go take them for a test drive, see how they work. People new to the channel excited about the GTI. We're gonna stick this bad boy into sport mode and do a couple pulls for you. So let's get this done so we can get on the road. All right, so we've got our two shifters right here. We've also got our needle nose pliers. They say to get the ones with teeth in the end. The smooth ones don't work because you need to grip the pins. So make sure you have the teeth needle nose pliers. So there's our pin right there. This should come right out like that. Now we're gonna take our right paddle shifter and slide it in. Okay, that's it right there. And that's in. It's in there secure. I had to use this little pick to get this side out. Couldn't quite grip it with my needle nose pliers. There we go. That side is in, not going anywhere. All right, so here they are added to both sides. I really like the way they look. They don't take up not too much more space on the back side, and they're in a nice place to where you can click it pretty much from all angles. Top, not so much from this point right here, but as long as you're on the other side of the pivot point, it's not too bad. On the bottom, not too bad either. And then the other side is basically the same thing. They feel really nice. These are like a CNC'd metal. I don't know if it's aluminum. It's probably aluminum. They're pretty lightweight, but I think they look really cool. What do you guys think? Make sure you leave your comments below. Tell me if you have these. I know they came in like red, black. I went with the silver just to match the silver trim basically all around the car. So pretty happy with that. It gives it a lot more of a sporty look to the interior, which I'm cool with. So I'm gonna set up a GoPro and we will go take this thing for a drive. So obviously this modification isn't gonna make your car go faster or anything. I just wanted to show an example of how they work in action and just to see if they're comfortable, give you guys a sample of how the car drives, because I know I really didn't do any like quick shifting or anything in the other video that I made. So I'm about to pull out onto the frontage road and then we will do a couple little pulls for you. So what we're gonna do is put it into shift mode. Right down here, we'll hit mode. Then our 4 driving modes show up and we are gonna go to sport mode. All right, and we get up right here. It's so fun to use the paddle shifters. If we want to, all we gotta do is it just goes so fast. It's so quick. The shifts are so fast. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you have the DSG upgraded paddle shifters in your car. There's a link down below in the description of the ones I ordered off Amazon. If you do make a purchase from there, my channel does get a little bit of monetary kickback from Amazon at no cost to you guys. So I'd appreciate it if you did pick yourself up a set. With that being said, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video again, and I will see you in the next one.